Hello and welcome to my website. I'm Dr. Barry Cohen. I'm a board-certified plastic surgeon, as you probably know after getting to this point. I want to take a moment to introduce myself and to introduce my practice to you. I also wanted you to feel like when you come in here you have some understanding of what I'm all about and the types of things that we do and how we do them. I'm a board-certified plastic surgeon, which, as many of you probably know, is a very important factor in selecting a plastic surgeon. Board certification means that the doctor has been through a very rigorous and pretty strenuous training program that requires many years to achieve. After having been through a general surgery and a plastic surgery fellowship, a person has to then sit for their written boards and pass them, and take their oral boards and pass them as well. Plastic surgery boards are among the most difficult boards to pass, and certification by the American Board of Plastic Surgery is an achievement of which I'm very proud. I've not only been board certified, but I've been reboard certified, which we have to do every 10 years. My practice, which is based in Maryland and in Virginia, both in Rockville and Annapolis, and an office in McLean, Virginia, boasts a pretty vigorous number of procedures done a year. I have 3 associates. All of us are members of the Washington Plastic Surgery Group, of which I'm the senior partner. I started my practice in 1992 and philosophically have had pretty much a consistent theme and approach to plastic surgery. I like to treat every patient as if they were a member of my own family. If I wouldn't offer it to a family member, and I like most of them, I wouldn't offer it to you. We have a very, very wide assortment of procedures that we offer. As my book suggests, we offer everything from skincare to scalpel. When you come in here, you're going to have a free consultation with me. We're going to go over all of the options for you. And in fact, if you're not a candidate for a procedure, I'm going to tell you, I'm not going to suggest a procedure which is just going to make me richer and you not happy. I'm only going to offer procedures which are going to be of value to you, and procedures which, based upon my estimation, the benefits will significantly outweigh any risks that are going to be always there with any operation. And if any doctor tells you that any operation is risk-free, I'd walk out the door, because everything you do has some associated risk, and you need to know what those risks are. I'm going to be taking you through potentially a number of consultations online to give you some sense of what I would tell you in my office. So as not to bore everybody, you'll be able to click on a specific consultation for, let's say, breast implants or facelifts and get a sense of what that's all about. Of course, this is no replacement for what you would get in my office in person, but I think it would be helpful for most people to hear things more than once, to be able to digest a lot of the things that we have to offer. I also have 2 books, and I'm happy to send them out to any of my potential patients with my compliments. If you just email me or call the office, we're happy to send you both my book, From Skincare to Scalpel, and the Washington Plastic Surgery Manual, both of which cover all the nuances of the plastic surgery that we do here. I also want to reiterate to the consumers that I have my own skincare line, which I like to talk about under separate cover, which you can click on the pH Advantage icon on my website, and we'll talk a little bit more about skincare. And also we have a medical spa, both here in the DC area and in the United Kingdom, and that too will be discussed, in the types of procedures that we do there discussed under a separate icon for the medical spa. So I encourage you to peruse the site, to look at the pictures, to look at the photo gallery, and to know that we do care, and I really take what I do very seriously, and a very concerned plastic surgeon. Anybody who says they're the best plastic surgeon out there, I'd also walk the other way. But it's important to know that your doctor, including me, really does care about you. I'm happy to answer any specific questions that you have electronically. Unfortunately, I'm tethered to my BlackBerry, much to the dismay of many of my family members. You will get me on the other end of your emails at bcohen, B-C-O-H-E-N, at totalskincare.com. You can also feel free to send me a JPEG picture, and if you have any specific questions, I can answer based upon a photograph. We do offer digital imaging when it's appropriate in our office, and that is also complimentary. So again, please come in, please visit, please send your emails, and please send us your response. We're happy to give you names of references, and as many of you have seen, I've been among the top doctors lists in the Washingtonian, magazine for the last 10 years running, and I feel very proud of my accomplishments as the senior member of, if not the largest, one of the largest groups in the certainly the greater metropolitan Washington, D.C. area. So I look forward to meeting you in person, and please feel free to click on any individual icon of a procedure that interests you. Thanks for joining us today.